As the launch date approaches, three important choices indicate the future of the Samsung Galaxy. Those three important considerations revolve around the fundamental specs, the chipset selection, and the launch window, how the device performs on a daily basis, the final performance, and when you can get your hands on one. For starters, various networks throughout the globe have posted model numbers and selections, so unless there is a last-minute exclusive in Samsung's own shop, these are your alternatives. The Galaxy S24 will come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Galaxy S24 Plus will come with 12GB of RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of storage, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with 12GB of RAM and either 256GB, 52GB, or 1TB of storage. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been detected on different benchmarking websites in recent months, and a 16GB variant was mentioned with just 12GB of RAM. Worldwide, the community questions how big of a performance effect this lower amount of RAM will have. If you want to speak about performance, the elephant in the room is Samsung's choice regarding the processor throughout the Galaxy S24 series. Unlike the Galaxy S23 family, which had every device sold with a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, the Galaxy S24 family will have a mix of Qualcomm's customized Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy and Samsung's newest Exynos 2400. Historically, Exynos-based Galaxy devices have had worse battery life performance, although by a small margin, but one that is apparent, particularly among users seeking for premium experiences to help offset this every top-of-the-line device. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with a Snapdragon CPU, while the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will include a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos. The model you get will be determined by the area you live in, and we are awaiting Samsung's distribution decision. Samsung has yet to provide specifics about the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked launch events. The 17th of January has long been anticipated as the launch date for the Galaxy S24 series. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.